Do you know why your dog sometimes lets out a quick, exaggerated sneeze right in the middle of an exciting play session? It's usually not because they have allergies or a cold. This play sneeze is a deliberate, crucial communication cue. The dog is essentially saying, "I'm super excited, but my playful growls and bounciness are all just fun. I don't mean to be aggressive." It's their way of keeping the energy high while reassuring their playmate that the interaction is friendly. Like and subscribe for more facts about dog body language and social rules.